Okay guys, I'm back with another video. I don't do a lot of them. But as you can see, we have another issue. Xbox still hasn't come up with a way of fixing their controllers. But this time, that gray piece of plastic that was broke on the last one. I found a wire tie works decent too. Wire, dental floss. I've read some of your posts. Thank you. Well, the thing I have found out is this is a repair. Seems to work decent. And we'll go over here to, this is a Fusion controller. And as you can see, the Fusion controller has the exact same piece in it. So I tore this one, which this Fusion controller is absolute garbage. So if you were wondering, I've broken 2 of them, and I'm not terrible on controllers. I don't rage and throw them. They fall off the counter or fall off the coffee table and hit the ground like most of the time. But if you see, I've taken the piece off of this controller here, and it fits perfectly on the Xbox One controller. And don't quite understand what the locking mechanism is that's inside there, but it apparently is only good for one spot, because as soon as you pry it off of there, it no longer works, and I could not get it to stay on its own. But it seems to stay here fine. Doesn't move, doesn't slop around, and doesn't have the issue of glitching or stopping. Now, I have noticed too that some of the posts you guys have, if you're having issues with the unit, you should try and look down inside this and see. I have found that sometimes you can get some crap down inside there that can affect the movement or the, I guess, continuity from whatever it's controlling to the Xbox, because I have knocked some stuff out of there and it's smoothed up the action. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for viewing the other videos, and have a great day.